So market was down big today. Tesla was down, saw SPY down. And what I want to do is go over the 200,000 phantom prints that came through yesterday. I want to go over why we knew the market was going to sell off, why we marked this phantom print on our chart. We're going to go over what a phantom print actually is and why I believe SPY is at least going to move to 420 bucks within the next couple of days, and if it could potentially go any lower. Now, if you guys want to get access to my trades and hang out with us every day, go follow me on Twitter. I posted this here, and then also join our Discord community. It's completely free. So I posted yesterday in both of those the 200,000 phantom prints that came through. Now, I've talked about in videos before, and if you want me to do a tutorial on dark pools, please let me know in the comments and I will make sure to do so. We talk a lot about phantom prints and dark pools, and phantom prints are very, very important. They are usually magnetic levels, so the stock or the ETF will normally move to that price level very quickly after the phantom prints come through. Now, the higher numerical value of the phantom print, the stronger that this phantom print will be. So in this instance here, we had 200,000 phantom prints come through yesterday on the S&P 500 at 404, which was before Tesla earnings. Now, the strike, or it's not really a strike because it's not a contract, but the price that the phantom print was set at was 400, and at the time SPY was trading at 400. So the person, this print that came through, this was looking for a big drop from 430 to 420. So if we go over, and we did this on our live stream, if you guys want to get access to our live streams, they're in our Discord community, and we said in the live stream yesterday, as we threw this phantom print level out, that there was a very good chance that we were going to move down. We then saw Tesla have a really bad quarter, a really bad earnings call, and then from there, we ended up seeing that subsequent sell-off. We also had this bearish order block that was sitting here at about $435. And then as this candle today sold at near bottoms and totally overcame the candle before, this is a very strong indication that we should see the S&P 500 move back down to at least $420, which is what we've basically been expecting for a while. Now, I don't know yet if we're going to drive through that level and break through 420 bucks. I think that earnings next week for the rest of big tech would have to be terrible. And I wouldn't be surprised if that is the case, but they would really have to be bad. And if we break through 420, the next level is going to be down at $410. Zoomed out on a weekly chart, you're going to see that we still are sitting within this symmetrical triangle. We still have this bullish order block sitting on point of control. And if we break through 420, as said, 410 will be the next level. 410 is a very, very, very strong level, but if that is given up, our next level will be $390, where the 200 SMA is. So in the short term, I'd probably expect more blood, potentially maybe a little bounce tomorrow if we could see maybe a move back up to 430 and reject. But I do believe with how we saw close today, with how we saw Elon yesterday, with the Fed today, not a lot of people seeming optimistic into earnings going into next week, it seems that we will definitely move down to 420 bucks. I hope this video helped, guys. Thanks for all the support. If you want to trade with me every day, go hang out on X. Go follow me as well. You can go follow our Discord community, over 12,000 members. You guys get access to free live streams, free seminars, free webinars. And if you want access to every single trade that I take, every trade. Today we closed out over $10,000 in profits. Netflix calls was the big one. Tesla puts was also a big one. That is the second link in the description if you're someone who's serious about trading. It's only $49 per month. So today would have paid for 20 years. Go check it out. Thanks for all the support. I'd love to have you on the team. Peace.